In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up events for launch on Kajabi. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly create an event, making it straightforward for your audience to register. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head to kajabi.com. Once there, look at the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll see a login button. Click on it. If you're asking why Kajabi, well, it's an excellent all-in-one platform for creating digital products and events. And logging in is your first step to accessing those features. Use your email or Google account credentials to sign in securely. This ensures you're using the official supported methods for accessing your account. Once you're inside your Kajabi dashboard, navigate to the Marketing tab. Here's where all the magic happens. Within the Marketing tab, find and click on Events, followed by the plus New Event option. This is where you'll be creating your event from scratch, so let's make it count. For your new event, enter a catchy and descriptive title. You'll also need to set the date and time accurately, along with your specific time zone. This helps ensure that your attendees know precisely when to tune in, avoiding any unwanted confusion. Next, decide if this will be a one-time event or if you'd like it to be recurring. Kajabi offers flexibility here, making it easy to plan your events around your schedule and marketing efforts. Once you've configured these details, don't forget to click Save. This step will secure your event settings and allow you to move forward with customization. Now head over to the Forms tab in your dashboard. Click on plus New Form to create a form specifically for event registrations. Add a new form field dedicated to this purpose. This way you are capturing all of the necessary information you'll need from your attendees. In the form editor, it's crucial to automate the registration process. Click plus Add Automation, open the Then Action drop-down and choose Register an Event. This ensures that once someone fills out your form, they are automatically registered. You want to ensure your form is properly configured to register users immediately upon submission. However, if your form is set to double opt-in, keep in mind that users won't be fully registered until they confirm their email subscription. This is an essential detail for maintaining a streamlined registration process. Once your form is up and running, you have flexibility for sharing. Embed it on your website or landing pages, or even share the link via email and social media. You might also consider adding an event block directly to your website pages. This not only displays the event information prominently, but also includes a handy registration button. And there you have it. Following these steps on Kajabi will set your event up for success, helping you manage your registrations effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy event planning on Kajabi.